I'd like to demonstrate for you some instances of good and bad tone quality. First of all, I'll play a little of Danny Boy with a good tone quality. Now this perhaps is a different tone quality. You'll notice the shape of that tone quality is sort of square and it's sort of muffled and it isn't as consistent. Here's another tone quality. That comes from having the lips too close together and pinching or smiling too much and making a very pinched tone quality. Here's a third quality. That comes from having the lips too far apart and blowing too unevenly at the sound. So we must look at listening to ourselves, because the most important factor in having a good quality is to listen and hear what you sound like. And try to sound like this. Not like this. By listening, you can tell what is good and what is bad as you develop your own ear to hear what sound you want to have playing inside your head. Then you always listen to the sound that you are producing along with that perfect sound you are hearing in your head and comparing it and trying to make it the same.